Good morning.
Budoy, why that is you yesterday absent? Why?
Madam,
Why that is you absent?
absent.
Why you forget the tissue? Yesterday I go bathroom, the tissue absent. Why no remember before you rest and piss?
What you're cooking, madam?
Musita. Why you don't remember before you go rest in peace? Sus, Ginoo ko. Saan na ni si Madam?
Madam,
Hey! Listening! Yesterday the tissue absent. You present now.
You present now.
present.
Hey! What's the happening? What's the doing for you? Budoy, you're looking to me. Are you the graduating?
The tissue in the bathroom finished, madam. Okay, I will put new one, madam.
Now you're the understand? How much the talking? How much?
Okay.
How much?
Budoy, small room, fire!
What, madam?
Small room, fire! Master! Hey! Slow! This one fall down. Why? It's dirty now.
No, madam.
Listening. The cooking not working. Give me the small fire.
What do you want, madam?
I want fire.
Small fire? What do you want? Small fire?
Small fire, the black head.
The cooking not working.
Yes.
You like the small fire? What do you want?
Come back talking for you. Why? Listening. You come back now the head. Faster, you throw the head. Faster.
Small fire, black head.
Faster. Clock running. I'm too much angry now.
Too much angry.
What, madam?
In the room, small fire, black head.
In the room, there is a small fire, black head. Small fire, black head.
Faster. Looking to now. Looking. Like this.
Like this?
Posporo
Understand
lagi.
now?
Okay.
Posporo.
You like this one?
Yes, this one. You're too much problem, Budoy. Too much problem.
Too much
Too much no
problem.
understanding what I'm speaking for you. Budoy.
Budoy.
Listening.
Yes, madam. What do you want?
It's okay for you, my shoes washing?
My shoes
Okay,
washing.
madam.
After you wash my shoes, you go sun. Understand?
You go son.
But don't go too much sun because I don't like overcook.
Overcook.
I will go sun, madam.
Yes.
I will wash the shoes, madam, and I will put the sun outside.
Yes, very good. Don't overcook, okay?
Overcook.
Now you're small, very good now because you're the understand.
No sun.
What you're talking, Budoy? Hey, listening.
No, madam. I will wash now.
Budoy, I want bamboo and mint, okay?
What do you want, madam?
I want small bamboo, mint.
Men, small bamboo? I don't understand, madam. What, madam? Men, small bamboo, men. What is that?
Hey, Philippine no have bamboo?
Philippines, so many bamboo. What do you want?
I want my teeth
For
bamboo.
the teeth. Small bamboo, men for the teeth.
Toothpick di ay. Bamboo mint. Toothpick di ay kadtong naihang-hang.
Reminder now? Reminder?
Reminder.
Go, faster.
Madam,
Reminder.
this one, you like?
Yes, this one.
Wait.
Budoy.
This is divorce the white, okay? You divorce the white and
I like the washing and you divorce the white. Agoy, marites. Unsaon, ilain day ang puti. Sus, Ginoo ko nimo, madam.
then you swimming the white.
You
After
swimming the
you
white.
swimming the white, you marinate the white. Understand?
You marinate the white. Ay, nako.
I will marinate the white, madam. Why?
It's very good this one. Budoy, you know what I'm the talking for you? You're the understand
Okay.
now?
Today put water and then tomorrow washing. Like that?
Bravo. You're very good
Bravo.
now.
Marinate.
What?
Umulan di ay. Imarinate ang puti. Agoy, marites ni si madam.
No.
Hi, Budoy.
Ay, Budoy, nasa si madam.
Hi, madam.
Budoy, are you the money have now? I borrow money for you because not my cash, okay?
You want to borrow money, madam? You don't have cash?
Yes.
Okay, madam. How much?
How much? Ay, nako.
Good morning.
Budoy,